Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be explaining the topic of angle properties. So let's go ahead and start the video. The basic things which we all knew as kids were a 90-degree angle, 180-degree angle and 360-degree angle. A 90-degree angle is also known as a right degree angle, and 180-degree angle is always on a straight line, and 360-degree angle is an angle where all the angles are at one point. And 90-degree angle is when two perpendicular lines join together and the points where they meet is a 90-degree angle, and the sign for that is a square. And when doing these questions I want you to know that you should be really concentrated and focused, because it is just like a game. The first step we need to do is that, as we just learned, that a straight line has an angle of 180 degree. So in this shape we need to find two variables which are 9b. We need to find the value of b and the value of a. First we need to find the value of a. It is basically all your choice. So we are going to take this line AB as it is straight and the upside. So we are going to write down the values. 8 degree plus 54 degree plus 70 degree equals 180 degree. And now I'm going to use my trusty calculator. And 54 plus 70 equals 124. So here we are going to write 124 degree equals 180 degree. So when this term goes on the opposite side of the equals to, the sign for that is going to be changed. So it is going to come into a minus. So when we solve it, it's going to become 180 degree minus 124. It's 56 degree. And to find if this is correct, we need to plus 56 degree plus 54 degree plus 70 equals 180 degree. So we know that we just rechecked our question by ourselves. Now coming back to a bit advanced thing is that in a transversal line where there are two parallel lines and one line which intersects them is known as a transversal line. And this is when there are 5 angles formed. The first angle is a vertically opposite angle. It is when two straight lines basically intersect each other and their angles which are opposite to each other are, say for example, if this is 70 degree, then this will also be 70 degree. But this is 80 degree, this will also be 80 degree, just as an example. But if a line is like this and the other one is like this, then no angle would be just same, because only this line is straight. So this is the vertically opposite angles and the alternate angles. Vertically opposite angles basically make an X, and alternate angles form the shape of a Z. Over here we can identify this as in Z, which means that this angle and this angle are both the same, 82 degree and 82 degree, and they form a shape of a Z. And corresponding angles, they are a bit hard to find. They are basically the shape of an F. You make an F and the angle over here and the other angle over here. This is basically the corresponding angles. The angles which are in vertically opposite angle are equal over here, equal, and the internal angles, they form a shape of a C. Over here we can see that 98 degree and 82 degree, they form a shape of a C, and internal angles, their total is of 180 degree, just like a triangle. 98 degree plus 82 degree equals 180 degree. And then comes the exterior angles. Exterior angles are the angles which are outside of a shape. And I didn't realize that my pen's ink was empty. So I just got my new pen, and I was talking about exterior angles. They are basically angles which are outside of the shapes. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, these all the angles are exterior angles. These all angles are exterior angles, and they have no shape. And now we need to identify the values of these given variables by using these different methods. So vertically opposite, we don't have one vertically opposite. We don't have one vertically opposite over here. We basically have one which is 82 degree, 82 degree over here, and x will also be 82 degree. And we need to find the value of a. It will also be 82 degree. Oh, sorry, 82 degree, as they are vertically opposite. Now we need to find the value of z. It can also be the corresponding angle 64 degree and 64 degree over here. So the value of the z will be 64 degree, as we just got to know that if this angle is over here, it will match with this angle 1 and 1, and this angle is matched with this angle 2 and 2. And value of q can also be found by this z, as it is vertically opposite, so it is 64 degree as well. So guys, this was it for the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and comment down below. So guys, this was mostly it about the video, and if you want to see something coming up, you can mention it down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like. If you haven't, then what are you waiting for? Go subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.